Secret behind the door. It was night time. A man was driving down the road and his car breaks down near monastery. Because of the night time, he goes to monastery and knocks on the door. As monk came outside and opened the door, man says, "My car broke down. Can I stay here for a night?" Monk accepted his request. Monks not only let him stay but also feed him and even fixed his car. As man tried to feel sleep, he heard a strange sound. Next morning he asked Monk about that sound, but Monk said, "We can't tell you that because you are not a monk." Man felt disappointed but thanked them and left on his way. After some years, same man car breaks down in front of same monastery. Everything happened same as before. Monks accepted him and feed him and fixed his car. This time when man went to sleep, even this time, he heard some strange noise that he had heard earlier. Next morning he asked Monk about that noise, but Monk replied same. "We can't tell you, because you are not monk." Man said, "All right, I want to know what reason for that sound. If only to find out about it is to become a monk, then tell me how can I become a monk?" Monk replied, "If you want to become a monk, then you have to travel the earth and tell us the exact number of sand pebbles. When you find this, you will become a monk." Man set for this task and 40 years later, he returns and knocks on door of monastery and said, "I have traveled the whole earth and I have found that there are 222, 345, 329, 954, 110, 958 and 203 million sand pebbles on earth." Monk congrats the man and said, "Now we shall show you the way to sound." Man was happy as Monk led him towards a wooden door and said, "Sound you looking for is right behind that door." Man reached for the knob to open the door, but found out that door was locked. So he requested Monk to give him the key to open the door. Monk gave him the key. Man opens the door and behind that door he saw another door made of stone. Again man saw that the door was locked, so he asked for key to that door. As man opens stone door he finds another door made of gold and it was also locked. Monk gave him key to that door also. Again there was another door made of ruby. This goes on until he had to go through another series of doors. Finally Monk said, "This is the last door and here is key to this door." Man was at last relieved and he unlocks the door, turned the knob and he was amazed to find the source of sound behind the door. But I can't tell you what it is because you are not a monk.